السلام علیکم.
وعلیکم السلام.
لکھنا میرے مزار کے کتبے پہ یہ حروف, لکھنا میرے مزار کے کتبے پہ یہ حروف, مرحوم زندگی کی حراست میں مر گیا.
واہ واہ. Well, I've got a response for you. خودی کو کر بلند اتنا کہ ہر تقدیر سے پہلے خدا بندے سے خود پوچھے بتا تیری رضا کیا ہے.
I've got another response.
Really? Okay.
ہر ایک بات پہ کہتے ہو تم کہ تو کیا ہے, ہر ایک بات پہ کہتے ہو تم کہ تو کیا ہے, خود ہی بتا کہ یہ انداز گفتگو کیا ہے.
Nice. That's very good. Well, today was the day 5 Olympiad and I must say we remember the bedbazi. Awesome competition, lots of fun and lots of verses.
Yeah. Talking of football, today we had a match between Beacon House and Aga Khan School.
Okay. How was it?
Aga Khan was literally like, packing them. They were quite good. Yeah.
Nice. How was the teamwork?
Teamwork, yeah. Let me tell you. They had a coach on the sidelines and the entire team in the match, like playing. And they were mostly focusing on attack and defense.
Nice.
And what they were doing was they were making sure that the center of the ground, the center of their pitch, their half, was completely covered, was always covered.
Nice.
And that was the key to their defense. Like Beacon House was not able to score any goals, even though they had brilliant attackers and they were playing quite well.
This matters a lot. Otherwise, we had lots of other competitions. We had table tennis as well. We had bedbazi. We had football.
You were in table tennis, right?
Yeah. I remember I participated in table tennis. And I must say it was a healthy competition. Lots of competitors. And there was a lot of talent to see everywhere. One of my participants, also from the Aga Khan team, was quite tough. At the end, the third match, he defeated me. But I must say I respect his skill. In the end, we shook hands. And that was the team spirit of Olympia.
Yeah. The science quiz was going on in the lab. So I was there. And it was quite interesting. There were questions from chemistry, biology and physics. And such simple questions taken out from our daily lives. Like, we don't even ponder about them.
Exactly. This is the art of the science quiz. Take aspects of what we see around us and encode them onto a piece of paper.
That's what science is all about.
Yeah.
The study of how things work.
And how were the participants though? I mean, could you feel the braininess from them? How were they?
Braininess? I'm not sure about that, but informative, and a lot of, they had a lot of data.
Nice.
All stored into one brain. They were quite well prepared.
Going on to bedbazi, of course we shared some couplets in the beginning, but there were no match for the couplets that those masters recited. Really, I was quite impressed by what they did. On the stage, I remember we had 3 schools left in the end. Isam Talagang and who else was there? I'm not sure.
Salam Link Road and I think Hamare. I think so, I'm not sure about that.
But still, these 3, I remember these 3 were there and they were quite good. And at the end, Link Road got first, Talagang got second, and Marif got third.
I liked all those ash'ar they recited out there. I mean, each shair starting from the last letter of the previous one. Quite creative.
That's the thing I like about Urdu poetry. It's all very deep and very meaningful. Like the couplets that are recited. I mean, that's the essence of Urdu poetry, right? I mean, otherwise, you don't have very meaningful things. But here, there were a lot of messages for all the audience and for everyone to see.
Simple words, simple letters combined together to form deep meanings.
Yeah.
And these meanings have the power to move hearts and minds.
Okay. So I think we can agree on it that day 5 was absolutely marvelous.
Just as always.
As always. Okay, inshallah. Well, tomorrow's day 6 and there are going to be lots of new fun-packed events and competitions. I've heard there's going to be spelling bee, English speech, and as always, football.
English speech is well renowned for its toughness. I mean, there are so many competitors, and each one of them with more intellect, with more force, with more meaning than the previous one.
It's going to be heated competition, and that's what we're going to see on the Day 6 podcast.
Finally, in our filled